Yeah, what is it? Read supposed to be
Red.
Red.
red. Yeah, read red. Red. Nah, so you write it similarly, but you say it differently. Okay, great job. Good verb choice, guys. And that makes female group win the game. Okay, congratulations. Okay, we will have another chance, male. Boys, don't worry. Okay, thank you very much for participating in this game. And we have, when we talk about verb, Chuchu, do we need verb in every sentence in English, guys?
Not really.
Not really. So in a sentence, it is allowed. It is okay not to have a verb in a sentence.
Sometimes.
Sometimes, really? So when you want to say, Miss Sandy, where are you?
Sorry, so noisy here, so I can't. Small.
You want to participate, but seems that you're in the middle of a crowd.
No,
It's okay,
I'm
it's okay.
silent.
I'm silent. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, in English, like in Bahasa Indonesia, we don't always need a verb, right? Like saya, oops. You can say saya pemahat patung or saya pembuat kue. Do we see verb here, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Okay, pemahat patung, is that a verb or a noun?
I think
No.
noun makes sound.
No.
Yes, pembuat refer to someone, right? Yep, it's a noun. So is there any verb in this sentence in Bahasa Indonesia?
No.
Miss.
In Bahasa Indonesia, sometimes we don't need verb. If we translate it into English, how does it sound? I
am a
Sculpture.
statue. Yeah, sculpture.
Is the true sculpture, Miss?
sculpture.
Oh, yes.
I'm a sculptor or I'm a baker. Yep. Do you see any verb here?
No.
Yes. But
Yeah.
it's not verb action, right?
Good job. Am is a verb, but it's not an action verb. What then we call this kind of verb? Let's name this.
It's to be.
Yes, to be, or we call it
Auxiliary.
no. In this case, it's not an auxiliary. It's actually a verb. I'm a sculptor. This is the main verb. Yeah, we call this the verbal verb. Wait. Yeah, so it's called a verbal verb because it's not an action verb. Okay, so verb to be is a verbal verb like am, is, are. Those are verbal verb. Yeah. Yeah. So in this in today's material, we are also going to talk about the verbal verb structure, which is, ta-da! It should be big. There is and
There are.
there are. So there is no action in this verb, right? There is, there are. What does this sentence tell instead?
Simple present.
Okay, good. It is simple present.
Perfect. Verb perfect.
Wow. Yeah, what does this sentence tells you? There is a mouse in the bathroom. Oh my God.
So that something exists.
Something exists, but not an action verb, okay? So yeah, there is, there are is the verbal sentence because they use verbal verb. Wait, guys, can you tell me what do you notice? What are there? Is there any good places to visit during holiday near your house?
There are, Miss.
There are. Okay. What are they?
Maranting, pos kapal, and
All forest, Miss.
Wait, Maranting,
Bendungan.
Racah
Ah.
Mampulang.
Halong.
Rancah Mampulang.
Yes.
Wow. What is that? Ozan, you said Halong?
Yes. Halong unique also.
Panca, you said Halong.
Holong.
Halong, Miss. Halong.
Halong is not along.
Holong.
Halong, Miss.
Halong, Miss. Halong.
A.
Along.
H.
Halong.
This one?
Oh.
Yes, true.
Okay,
That's
how long?
right,
Didn't
that's
I
right.
wrote that just now? Okay, how long? How long does it take to your place from Banjarbaru? Yep, Halong, Maranting, Rancah Mampulang. That's beautiful. What can you see in Halong? Tell me. There is blah 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 or there are blah blah blah.
Many pig, Miss. Many pig, Miss.
Many pig. Wild
Yes.
pigs.
We call Honda Jazz, Miss.
Honda Jazz.
Yes, because too many pig, and then we call Honda Jazz. The pig is so fat, Miss. So fat.
You can take it home and breed it.
I want, Miss, but my mom angry.
Okay, so they are wild pig. Are
No,
they?
pet, Miss, pet.
Yeah, I mean they are wild. They don't belong to someone. What is wild animal?
Maybe, Miss.
What is wild animal, guys?
Liar, Miss, liar.
Yeah. So no one owe them.
There is some of them pet the pig, Miss. Yes,
It means they
ditimang-timang,
belong
Miss.
to.
Ditimang-timang, Miss, in Halong.
Oh my God. So they pet them.
Yeah, they
Okay.
carry the pig, Miss.
Just like they treat a cat and a dog.
Maybe, Miss.
Wow. Oh, okay. That's interesting. And how long? If you don't like pig, don't go there. But if you're animal lovers, you can go there. How about Rancah Mampulang? What can you see there?
Miss, we can also see a waterfall in Halong.
Waterfall. Wow. Yep, that's interesting.
Also
Alright.
mountain, Miss.
Except of babi.
Not only pig. Okay, yep.
Yes,
There.
many things, Miss.
Okay, there is a waterfall in Halong.
Yes, Miss.
What
Oh,
else?
Dayak culture, Miss. Dayak culture.
Oh,
Ah,
there's
Mountain.
Dayak culture.
You can see Arup.
What is Arup?
Like
Like
people
ritual.
Yes,
in
Dayak party, Miss. Dayak party.
Oh, Dayak celebration
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
right. That's
or
right.
Dayak festival.
Yes.
Oh,
I
Or
think like
selamatan.
keselamatan.
Selamat.
Keselamatan.
That's the name of
Safety,
the
safety.
celebration.
Yes, Miss.
like hajatan.
Oh, okay. Yep, like wedding celebration. Yeah. Okay. That's interesting. How about Maranting?
That's a
There is
river, Miss.
there, Miss.
River. Ah, I like river.
Maranting.
There is a river in Maranting. Maranting or Maranti?
Maranting, Miss.
Ting, like this.
There, yes,
In
there is much of good air in this place.
Okay, there's fresh air, yeah? Fresh air and fresh water. There's
Yes.
fresh air and fresh water there.
big rock, Miss.
Ah,
big
big rock. Oh, big
Yes.
rock. Big rock. Okay, there are big rocks. Are there big rock?
Big rock.
Big rocks like this?
Yes.
Yes.
Maranting. Okay, there are big rock in Maranting. Is this like sacred rock?
No.
No.
Just rock.
Okay, just the size, yeah. Okay, great. So, do you go there a lot, guys?
I
Not
never go there.
a lot, Miss. But
I love
sometimes.
But I
Okay.
think if you come after rain, the
Mhm.
water will be what?
Coklat.
Yeah, chocolate.
You have
It's
to go
like
in
Okay, the water is not as clear as it is in when it is not raining.
yep.
Oh, okay. Is this river has a very strong stream or just regular stream?
Just regular stream,
Regular
Miss.
stream. Okay, so you cannot do like rafting there.
Mm-mm.
Depend on the situation, Miss.
Depend on the weather.
Yes. If the water
Okay.
is little height, maybe.
Little
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So it's very interesting when you visit your nature place that allows you to be close with nature. And yep, you can search and find out what is the unique thing about that place. That's
Gunung
great.
Haup, Miss.
Hawk Mountain, Miss.
Haup
Hout
Mountain.
Mountain. Hout Mountain.
Yep.
Okay.
Haup.
Is the mountain height pretty hard to hike?
I
I
think
think no, Miss. It just 4 or 5 hour.
Okay, so you
It
can do like
short adventure.
okay, so for short adventure, it's pretty much like a hill.
Yes, there is no mountain actually, just a hill.
It's
Okay,
a hill. All right.
so it's
You're
safe, yeah. Okay, great. I really recommend you to spend more time in those kind of place, guys. Okay, so yeah, we have there is and there are to talk about something that you can see in certain place. And yeah, I don't really like to discuss what we can see in a city actually. So, pretty much crowded. But look at the example and you can see the example how we use there is and there are. Please read the example, Muhaimin.
Yes, Miss. There is a very big park in my city.
Mhm.
There aren't any street market. There are no restaurants in the station,
Mhm.
but there is a cafe and a, a bank.
Yeah,
Bank.
but there is a cafe and a bank. Okay,
Bank.
let's see. How do we say there is in these 4 sentences?
There is.
Yep,
There
there's.
There is.
There's.
There's.
Let's say together. There's.
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 There's a big park in my city.
There is a
Big
big park.
park in the my city.
Yeah, so if you say there is, the way to say it naturally is to blend it. Okay, so you say there's instead of there is. But it will be different with there are. It's not normal for a native speaker to blend there are. We just say it in different words, there are. If we use negative and then we blend it, there aren't. Okay, let's say together. There aren't any street markets.
There
Aren't any street
There
market.
aren't any street
Are
markets.
any street market?
Okay, there aren't any street market.
There aren't any street markets.
Okay, what does it mean, guys? There aren't any street markets?
Tidak ada
Tidak
banyak
ada.
Di sini.
bar di jalan.
Ya, tidak ada. What is that? Street market. What does it mean, street market?
Kaki
Di
lima,
pasar.
Toko pinggir jalan.
maybe.
Okay.
Like Pujasera.
Nah, okay, like Pujasera, but they are on the street.
food court.
Yep, like food court. Or what do we call, how do we say market in Bahasa Indonesia?
Pas.
Pasar.
Ya,
or
pasar, but it is
Pasar.
on the street. Tidak ada, you can say pasar,
Pinggir jalan.
pasar, iya, pinggir jalan. Or, I don't know, how about you guys? I call it pasar dadakan.
Pasar Senen in Balangan.
Pasar Senen, wow, it's a name
That's
of
right.
a region in Jakarta. Okay, good. Pasar Senen, pasar-pasar pinggir jalan. You know, there are a lot of street vendor that sells a lot of thing on the street, so it become crowded like a market. So we call this street market or pasar-pasar pinggir jalan. Let's see, we have how many market? Is it one or more than one market?
Yes.
One more.
One
More
more.
than one.
One.
More than one. If it is more than one, let's see what is the function of any in this sentence.
Any beberapa.
Yeah, why don't we use some?
Because aren't
Because
not
any
negative.
negative
form.
Negative with any.
Negatif.
Okay, good. Negative, you don't use some, but you use
And
any. That's
any.
great. There aren't any street markets in here at all. Okay, good. And we can also say there are no.
No.
So it's followed by no. There are no varieties of animals in my garden, Miss, for example. Or there are no various plants in my garden. You can say that. No, and then the verb. What does it mean? There are no restaurant in the station?
Restoran di stasiun.
Yeah?
Tidak
Tidak?
ada restoran di stasiun.
Ya, restoran di stasiun. Tidak ada restoran-restoran di stasiun. Tidak ada. Yep, you can say that. Tidak ada restoran-restoran di stasiun. How about this one? But there's a cafe and a bank.
Tapi ada sebuah kafe dan sebuah bank.
Ya,
dan bank.
tapi ada satu cafe dan satu bank. You can say yeah, to refer. It means you want to mention the item differently. One cafe and also one bank. Okay, let's see. There is another example here. Please read, Nabil, the example.
Which means
This one.
we use there is for singular nouns and there are for plural nouns.
Hmm?
There is a restaurant in the station. There are two cafes in the shopping center.
Oh, okay. Center. Yeah, shopping center. Good. Thank you, Nabil. Let's see, what does it mean? There is a restaurant in the station.
Ada sebuah restoran di stasiun.
Ya, sebuah restoran. Ada sebuah restoran di stasiun, and there are two cafes in the shopping center.
Ada 2 kafe di pusat perbelanjaan.
Ya, ada 2 kafe. Don't forget, I think you have already learned this. Remember, there is always followed by singular noun, and also there is followed by plural noun. What if the noun is uncountable?
There is.
Yes, there is, Miss.
Yeah, always there is, yeah, because uncountable is considered one. How about this one, please read, Rizka?
We can say there's instead of there is. We often say this when we speak, but there is no short form for there is. There is a restaurant in the station. There's a restaurant in the station. There are 2 cafes. There's 2 cafes.
Okay, what does it mean? What is this? There's instead of there is. Native speakers, they don't say there is, but mostly there's. That's the short form of there is. But there are, you don't short them. Okay, you just say there are, right? Just like we discussed just now. Okay, let's see. Another example is, please read Ojan. This one.
For negative, Miss.
Yes.
For negative, we use there isn't or there not. There is not for singular and there aren't. There are not for plural. There isn't a Hermes
Mhm,
near the hotel.
mhm,
There aren't any restaurants near the hotel.
mhm.
We often use there isn't plus singular noun. There isn't any plus uncountable noun, and there aren't any plus plural noun.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, that's it. Okay, how do you think this word sounds, guys?
See,
Pharmacy.
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 What does it mean?
Apotek.
Apotek.
Yeah, apotek. Apotek or apoteker?
Just
Apotek.
Yeah, apotek.
Apotek.
There is a pharmacy near the hotel. What does it mean?
Tidak ada.
Ada
Tidak ada.
Apotek dekat
toko
hotel
obat
itu.
terdekat hotel.
Tik dekat hotel. Yep. Oh, hotel. Okay, let's say a pharmacy.
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 A pharmacy.
Pharmacy.
Yeah, you can just hang the R there, so you don't need to say the R. So it's pharmacy.
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 Okay, there aren't any restaurant near the hotel. Yeah, so if in negative, you can still use a, or when it is uncountable, you use any. There isn't any water. There isn't any rice, for example. While this one, there aren't any restaurant. For negative, you use any most of the time, yeah. And there isn't a cafe, there isn't any milk, just similar. There aren't any toilets, similar. Yeah. And just one we discussed just now. Please read Anasha. Is Anasha here?
She is away, Miss.
Still.
Appear.
Okay, Anchai, please read the last example.
Which one, Miss? There
The last
isn't.
one. This one.
There's no milk.
Mhm.
There are no toilets in the park.
Okay, just simply put no before the noun. It's already negative. And you don't need, you can just skip any. Okay. So yep, this is the negative. And there is no. I will start, I will go to the exercise. Let me show you number 1. Which one do you think?
There are.
There are.
There are.
Yep.
There are.
Are. Check please.
Because two.
Because two banks, plural or singular?
Plural.
Plural.
Plural. Good job. Let's see number 2.
There's.
There's.
There's. Why it is there is?
Because just one.
Singular. A beach.
Singular.
That's correct.
Satu beach, satu bangsa.
Okay, satu beach. Okay. Next, number 3.
There aren't.
Aren't.
There aren't.
Okay,
There
why you
aren't.
use are?
Because
Aren't.
any
Because
lakes.
Any
Lakes.
lakes
Yeah,
near
more
me.
than one. That's correct. There aren't. Good job. Last one.
Are
They.
there.
They.
Are there.
Are there.
Are there
Are
in your
there.
Are
city?
there.
That's correct because we have more
Parks.
than one park.
Mhm.
Okay, that's great.
Are.
Let's see
I
next,
wanna
number
be
5.
next.
There
There
are.
are.
There
are.
are. Yep, that's correct. Why there are?
Three
Because
restaurant.
Plural.
Plural.
Friends,
Plural.
more than one. That's
Restaurant.
correct. How about number 4? F6.
Is
Is
there.
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 Is
Cafe.
there a cafe in the station? That's
Cafe.
correct. 7.
There are no.
Are no.
There are no schools in my neighborhood. That's correct. Last one.
There
There
are.
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 There
There
are 2 airports in the capital city. Okay, that's great. Next, we still
There
have
There
aren't.
aren't.
there aren't any chair. That's correct. Number 2.
There is any coffee. And there's no coffee.
There is no coffee. My sister drank it all. Yep, that's correct. 3.
There are.
There are 10
There are
people.
10
Yep,
people.
because more than one person. 4
There.
How many
There.
days
there.
are there?
are there in a
Are
year.
there.
That's correct. 5
Are
Are
there
there.
any?
Very good.
are there. That's correct. 6
It
There
is.
It is.
It
There
is.
is.
There
It is.
there
There
is
is.
a station near our house. Yep. How about 7?
There
There are.
There were.
There were.
There were.
There were.
Okay, there were. That's correct. Number 8.
There's no.
There's no.
There's no
There is
hospital
no
in the
hospital
city.
in this city. I'm surprised. Okay, yep, that's all correct. Okay, now I'm going to give you this link so that you can do copy. You can do your own assessment. I'll send it on the chat box as usual. Please try to do the activity and you can send the result to me. Yeah, it includes a listening exercise. So you can listen and try to fill in the blank.
Miss,
Yeah.
can I do it later maybe because it's so noisy in here.
Okay,
My office
Lily.
right now. I can hear
Okay.
clearly.
Okay.
Or
Of course, Lily. Yep, you can do it later for that. Meanwhile, oops. If you have done, you can send it to chat box. Okay, or then you can do it later when your device can support your activity or exercise. Okay. 5 min 4 in here, right? Okay, the class will end at 4 actually. So yeah, we will stop at 4. You can still join it until the end of the session, I guess. Anyone has finished? Still listening. Yeah, we start at 2:30 actually. A little bit late, but it's okay. Okay, who has finished? Lily? Okay. Hey, great. Lily, you managed to finish all correctly. And yeah, sometimes a little bit tricky because it involves listening, but you can also guess from the remaining word whether it will be is or are, right? Wait, I mean. Okay, Ichal and Nabila and Lily has done. Okay, great job, Nabila. Okay, Miss Sandy. Okay, Nabil. Okay, how about others? Now you can send to my private chat WhatsApp if you cannot make it here. Yeah, sorry guys. Sometimes you send me.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Lily.
Miss, can I ask for permission to leave earlier?
Mhm.
Because I'm going home today, so I think
Okay.
because I don't want it getting dark before.
Okay. Yeah, of course. So it's your office time has over. Yeah, it's over. Okay. Yep. Of
Yeah,
course, Lily.
I'm sorry,
And
Miss.
yeah, 4:30 there, so you have to go back so it's not dark yet. And guys, by the way, we will finish our class at 4, straight 4. So yeah. Okay, thank you very much for those who have submitted. Anjay has done, Rizky Ardana also has done. Okay, yep, of course, Anissa. Anjay, Rizky Ardana. Okay. Okay. So, how is it? Is it tricky?
Yes, Miss. We
Is
should
it?
focus.
Yeah, you have to focus on the audio, yeah. But sometimes we also can guess from the structure or the word that left in the question sheet. Okay, we will discuss a little bit more about there is, there are, but in different form of tenses. There is, there are, you can use to describe something that you can see in particular place. What if the thing that you can see, that thing change, or it was there in the past, but it's not anymore? Like, for example, I used to put some poster in my room, so I can say there were a lot of poster in my room back then, for example. Okay, if I say this, it means how is the present condition? Do I still have poster in my room?
Maybe no.
Maybe no. And yes, it's a no. Yeah. So wait. Oh, then. Yeah, when I say there were, it means that's valid in the past, but not the case in the present. It's true in the past. Oops, sorry. So it's true in the past, but not in the present. It means now this is no longer true. This is just in the past. What changed, guys, from your hometown or from your room back then when you were still at school and now? Can you tell me the difference?
There were a lot of trees in my town.
A lot of
Tree
or trees
in my town.
in my town? It means now they are not many trees anymore.
I guess like that.
Batubara.
Now there are
Yes.
less trees. Like this?
Yes. There aren't
Or there
Many
are,
trees left.
yep, there aren't many
many
trees
trees.
left.
Left.
Okay, yep, you can say that. Oh, wow, that's bad. That's also what happened in my hometown. In my hometown, when you ride along the street, the main street, you wouldn't feel hot because big trees are along the street. But now there aren't many trees anymore. Similar case with my hometown. Okay, that's great. What else? Give me one more example. There was. How about there was?
There was one bridge in my town, but there are two now.
Okay, good. There was only a bridge in my town,
Astaghfirullahaladzim.
but now there are more than one, or there are more. Okay, yep, you can say that. There was only, or for example, when you visit this town and you saw something, when you visit Pasar Senen in Jakarta, for example, here, Miss, there, in Pasar Senen, at that time, in that place, there was an old lady looking at me suspiciously, for example. There was an old lady looking at me suspiciously, but that happened in the past. You just tell the story when you were in Pasar Senen, Jakarta. Nah, you can also use this. Okay. Okay, that's about there was and there were. Is there any question?
None so far, Miss.
No, so far so good. So far no good. Okay, so this is the another example. Yeah, there is a train every hour. The time now is 11:15. It means there was a train just now at 11 o'clock. Yep, you can say that. And let's see the comparison. Comparing past and present. What is the difference, guys? Apart from is and was, what is the difference between the sentence?
The time, Miss.
Yeah, the time. Good job. How about the first sentence? What is the time?
Simple.
Tonight.
Okay,
Now.
tonight.
Tonight.
And this one?
Last night.
Last
Last
night. Yeah, tonight, is it in the past or
No.
No.
no?
Present.
Present. Yeah, tonight. Talk about today, the time that we are going to face today, right? There is nothing on the TV tonight because today is Saturday. There is nothing on TV. Usually nothing good on TV, for example. Yep. Tonight can be at the regular time. So yeah, you have to pay attention to the time marker. Oops. Charging. Okay, let's see the next form of there is, there are, is. Tarang. There has been. Oh, what is that? Please read the example. Oh, Zandan. Anasha. Anasha hasn't come yet.
No, Miss.
Anchai.
Which one is
Anchai. Example in this picture.
oh, there's been an accident.
There's been an accident. What is the long form of the sentence?
There has
There has been.
There
Yeah,
has been
there has been an
an
accident.
accident.
So it's similar, yeah. When you want to constrain or you want to make short there is, it means there's can be, there is, oops, or there has.
Has.
But this one, it's impossible. It means is because been. Oh,
There's
it's
been.
yeah, there's been an accident. You have to, okay, there's been mean there has been an accident. Okay, please read this other two example. Ancai dan Rizky Ardana.
This which one, Miss?
Yeah, this one, this road.
This road is very dangerous. There have been many accidents.
Good job. What does it mean? This road is very dangerous. There have been many accidents.
Jalanan ini sangat berbahaya.
Mhm.
Jalanan ini sangat berbahaya. There have been many accidents. Telah terjadi banyak kecelakaan.
Good job. Or terjadi. There have been. Remember, there is, there are mean ada, right? If you put has been, it means perfect.
Telah.
Telah ada.
sudah
Telah terjadi banyak.
Oke, or sudah ada banyak
Kecelakaan.
kecelakaan di jalan ini. Yap, sudah ada banyak. So there is ada, there has been, there have been, sudah ada. Right? Sudah ada dari zaman nenek moyang. That there has been or there have been. Okay? Okay, let's see the next example, please. Read Anissa.
which one, Miss? Okay.
This one.
Was I can see
Mhm,
there was an accident last night.
mhm.
Not there has been an accident last night for
Okay.
participle. Yes, and present perfect.
Oh, no, no, only that one. Okay, why in this sentence we use there was, not there has been?
Because with
Because
time
we specific.
mention
We usually use past, simple past. I think like that.
Okay, good. Yep, some of you mentioned because there is the time. There is the time marker. It's the sentence use the exact time when it happened. Okay, if you mention the time, you don't use perfect. Remember, if you use perfect, you don't use or you don't mention specific time. If you use perfect, what do you use to tell time? We usually use.
yet already.
Okay, good. We have yet or already or specific time. Not specific time. Yet already is, we call it adverb, but to tell the time we have this word since and
Yes.
for. For 10 years since 2020. For 10 years since 2020. So if you use perfect, you don't use exact time, like telling when it is exactly, but you use since or for. But if you mention the exact time, remember, you use past. Okay, so far so good. Is there any question?
Lovely.
No. So far so good. No far no good. And we can also use will be because it is, what is it? Past, present,
Future tense.
future. Yeah, if it is there will be, what do you translate? How do you translate it in Bahasa Indonesia?
Akan ada.
Akan ada. Just now sudah ada, sudah ada, akan ada. Right? There will be a party in my house, miss. There will be a family gathering in my house, in Ojan's house, for example. There will be. Please read the example, Nabila. These 3 sentences.
There will be. Do
Mhm.
you think there will be a lot of people at the party on Saturday? The manager of the company is leaving, so there will be a new manager soon. I'm going away tomorrow. I'll do my packing today because there won't be time tomorrow. There won't
Okay.
be. There won't be, there will not be.
Okay, we have negative sentence here. There will be and there won't be. There won't be any meal tonight. There won't be any artist perform in the party. There won't be any internet in this area tomorrow, for example. So yeah, there will be and there won't be. Let's say together, there won't be.
There won't be.
There won't be any.
won't be.
There won't be any pig in my house.
There won't be
There won't
any
be
pig
any pig.
in my house.
It means now there is, but tomorrow there won't be. You can say that, okay? Because it talks about future, right? It means there is still here. Okay. So, yep, we have discussed the different. There will be, there won't be, there was, there were. The different is not really hard to tell, right? Let's do a little bit of this exercise. Number 1, I was hungry, but there wasn't anything to eat because the information was here, talks about past. So the second one. How about the third one? Number 3. Please read.
There was
Wait, Icha. Number 3.
Okay, number 3. I opened the envelope, but it was empty. There is nothing in it.
Okay. What do you use? Look at the option. We only have there was, there wasn't, was there, there were,
was,
there
but
wasn't.
there nothing in it.
There was nothing in here. Okay, there was nothing in it. Okay, great. Yep, there was nothing. That's correct. Ichal, Samuel, is Samuel here? Samuel is not here. Lily. Oh, Lily is already up.
I'm here, Miss.
Oh, still okay.
Yeah.
Lily, can you do number
We
4?
stayed at a very nice hotel. Really? Was there a swimming pool?
Okay, good. Was there a swimming pool? Yep. You use was there. That's correct, Lily. Thank you very much. Sandy, why don't you read number 5?
Miss. Number 5. Did you buy any bananas? No. No, there was there wasn't any in the shop.
Okay. Did you buy any bananas? No. What do you think? Do we use the plural or singular here? Look at the subject that we are talking about.
Plural.
Was there.
Yep.
No, was there any in the shop?
Okay. Is it a question or a statement? An answer.
Question.
Statement.
Okay, good statement. Let's see what is the subject that we are talking about in this sentence.
Countable.
No,
Countable.
there weren't any in the shop, Miss.
Yeah, good job. We talk about bananas because what we talk about here is in plural. So, yep, you use plural. There weren't any in the shop. That's correct, Sandy. Okay, thank you. Let's see, Muhaimin. Number 6.
Yes, Miss. The wallet was empty. There were any moment in it.
Okay, what is this?
Money.
There
Banyak.
were any
There was
any money in it.
Okay, we talk about money. Remember, money, is it countable or uncountable, plural or singular?
uncountable.
Uncountable, it means it is plural or singular?
Singular.
Always
Singular.
singular, yeah? Uncountable
The
is
answer
always
is
single. So,
there was.
good job. There was any money in it?
There wasn't.
Yeah, because the wallet was empty, it means there wasn't any money in it. Okay, great. That's negative sentence because we use any. Okay, and number 7. Thank you very much, Muhaimin. Nabil, continue number 7.
Were there many people at the meeting? No, very few.
Okay, great. Were there
Were there
many people at the
meeting?
meeting?
No,
No,
very few.
very few. Dikit sekali, very few. Okay, that's great. Thank you, Nabil. Number 8 will be Rizka.
We didn't visit the museum. There wasn't enough time.
There wasn't enough time. Okay, why you use was?
Because time is uncountable.
Good job. Time is uncountable. So you use was always singular. Okay, thank you very much, Rizka. Ozan.
Yes, Miss.
Number 9.
I'm sorry, I'm late. There were a lot of traffic.
Okay. I'm sorry I'm late. There a lot of traffic. What is the subject we are talking about here?
Traffic.
Yeah. Traffic. Can we count
Yes.
traffic?
No.
How do you know traffic is countable or uncountable? Mm-hmm.
Uncountable.
Okay, if it is uncountable, what is the proof? Yeah?
There
There
was.
was.
There was.
Yeah, that's the answer.
Because
There
we
was
Let's see the word traffic
Traffic.
itself. We have a lot of. After a lot of, usually we use.
Traffic with S.
Yep, we use S plural, right? A lot of books. A lot of
There
dogs.
were
A lot of chairs. Always use S after a lot of. But here, do you find any S?
No.
There is no S. It means it is uncountable. Because uncountable noun, you cannot put S. Have you ever heard waters?
No.
As a verb, maybe yes. But as a noun, we don't say waters. No. She waters the plant? Yeah, probably. But I have a lot of waters? No, it never happened. Okay. Water is never with S plural. So yeah, in this sentence, I'm sorry I'm late. There
is.
There was.
yeah,
There was.
Yep. There
There was a lot of
was
there was
enough. There was a lot of traffic. Yep, that's okay. That's how you answer that. Okay, thank you very much. Anasha, not yet. Anchai, number 10.
Okay, 20 years ago, there weren't many tutorials here. Now there are a lot.
Okay, good. There weren't. That's correct, Anjay. There weren't many tourists here. Now there are a lot because of social media. Okay, guys, do you think you will be happy if some of your local tourist attraction, which is nature, natural tourist attraction, is become famous, and then there are a lot of visitors coming to that place?
Yes.
Yes.
As
Maybe
long
yes,
as they
maybe
keep
yes, maybe
the
no.
environment clean.
Yeah, okay, yep. Yes, you will be happy, but sometimes the problem is we cannot control their behavior, right? And hygiene, their habit, littering everywhere. A lot of people, a lot of rubbish. Normally, it's something like that. But yeah, if something is getting famous, usually it's going to be bad later on. So yeah, hopefully your tourist attraction there is not too famous, so it doesn't really gone bad. It doesn't really become bad environmentally. Okay, let's see. Oh, we still have. I think we will finish this last one. Okay, and then we can call it a day. Let's see, number 2, the last one just now, Anchai. Now, Rizky Ardana.
There were 24 hours in a
Okay, look at the answer. Look at the option. We can use there is, there are, there was, there were, has been, have been,
Oh,
or will be.
there are 24 hours in a day.
Okay, good.
There
There
are.
are 24 hours in a day.
Day.
Is it wrong when I say there were 24 hours in a day?
It's
Yes.
wrong.
Wrong,
Why?
miss. Because it's a fake, and if you want to say a fake, you should use simple present.
Okay, so it's a fact. That's good. But what does it mean if I say there were 24 hours in a day?
It's mean in past time
Now not
there
24
are 24 hours in a day, and right now it's changed.
Yep, it means That's in the past. Today we have 35 hours a day, for example. Today is the future. 24 hours a day is just in the past. Yes, that's what it means. Okay, that's correct. Number 3. Who's that? Rizky Ardana. Thank you, Rizky Ardana. Anissa Nurrahmah. 3.
There was a party at the club last Friday, but I didn't go.
Okay, good job. There was a party at the club last Friday. Why do you use was here? From what word?
What, Miss?
Why do you choose to use was in the sentence?
Because it's past time and it's a singular.
And the indicator of the past is the word
Friday, last Friday.
last Friday. Okay, that's correct, Anissa. Thank you very much. Nabila, number 4.
Where can I get something to eat? There is a cafe at the end of the street.
Okay, good job. There is a cafe at the end of the street. That's correct. How about number 5? Thank you, Nabila. Now, Ichal. Ichal. Are you there?
Hello, Miss.
Okay, 5.
Number 5. Why are the police outside the bank? The answer is there
There.
has been
Yeah?
there has been a robbery.
There has been a robbery.
Yeah.
Okay, yep, there has been a robbery. Oops, what is it? Okay, is there any other possible answer?
There was.
Was
Okay, do you think it's still there? It's still ongoing?
Ongoing, not specific, a robbery because the time is not specific.
The robbery.
Okay.
The time not specific, Miss, but
Okay, good.
just
Time is not specific.
we use there has been, and time a specific, a robbery last night. We use there was a.
Okay, yeah, we use there was, but there's no specific time. But what do you think? Because there is the result, it means the effect is still there, right? You still can feel the tense after this robbery happening. If you still can feel the effect, we usually use perfect. Remember? Do you want to eat? Do you want to have lunch? No, thank you. I have had my lunch. If the effect is still there, you can use perfect. Oh, you're so smell good. You smells good. Yeah, I have taken a bath. Sudah mandi. The result is I smells good. So yeah, if you can see the result is still, you can still feel it. You can use there has been. Okay. Okay, 4 more number. Come on, number 6. Who is number 6? Lily. Is Lily still there? Lily is not here. Sandy, Miss Sandy.
Yes, Miss. Yes.
Mhm.
When we arrived at the theater, there was a long queue outside.
Okay, there was a long queue outside. Okay, good. Thank you. Number 7. Anita dan Muhaimin.
Yes, Miss.
7.
7. When you arrive tomorrow, there will be somebody at the station to meet you.
Okay, good job. There will be somebody at the station to meet you. Yep, that's correct. Okay, Nabil, now number 8.
10 years ago, there was, there
Mhm.
are,
Okay, there was or there are.
there are.
10 years ago. Is it in the present or past?
Past.
Past. So you use
Yes. Was.
okay. So how many after the there was or there is or there are? Is it plural or singular?
Plural.
Plural. So what do you use?
And there are.
Okay, there
Oh,
are
there
past
were.
or present.
There were. Maybe.
Good job. There were
Yeah.
500
200 children at the school
Good job.
now.
At the
Now,
school. Full stop.
at the school.
Now
Now there are more than 1,000.
good job. Now there are more than 1,000. So you have to take a look at the what is it? The words or the noun after there were and there was, okay? To decide it is or are, you look at the number after there were, there are. Okay, good. Two more number. Thank you very much. Who's now? Nabil Rizka.
Last
Rizka,
week,
Mhm.
last week I went back to the town where I was born. It's very different now. There have been a lot of change.
Good job. There have
Been.
been a lot of changes. Okay, good job. Thank you very much. Look at this. Why we use have here, number 9, not has.
Because a lot of change.
Okay, a lot of change is plural or singular?
Plural.
Plural, because we have s here, okay? There have been a lot of changes. Thank you very much, Rizka. Ozan, last one is Ozan. Lord Ozan.
Yes, yes, miss. I think everything will be okay. I don't think there will be any problems.
Good job. There will be any problem. I don't think there will be any problem. Everything is going to be okay. Okay, guys. So I think it's not really hard to decide whether you use was, were, have been, or will be. So far, is there any question?
No, so far, miss.
So
No,
far, no
miss.
good. So far, so good. No far, no good. Okay, yep. You only need to look at the a lot of practice and look at the time marker so you can decide which one you use, okay? But the translation is still other than the other. Okay, guys, thank you very much. That's all for today. See
Miss
you.
Wina,
Yeah?
happy Teacher's Day.
Oh
Teacher's
yeah,
Day.
yesterday was
We
Teacher's
forgot.
Day. Thank you very much.
Happy
Teacher's
Teacher's
Day.
Day.
Happy
Happy
Teacher's
Teacher's
Day.
Day.
Yeah, for
Yes,
all the
well,
teachers out there and all of the teachers that have been teaching all of you guys and also teaching me and teaching us how to learn and give a lot of information. We hope all of their dedication is sincere and Allah will grant us all. Okay, thank you very much. Oh yeah, guys. Tomorrow in Jakarta, we will have election day. It is local election for the local government, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, we will have day off. So there will be no class tomorrow. You will have holiday. Enjoy your holiday. Yes, 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 yes. Rizky,
yeah.
are you happy? Tomorrow there is no class.
I will be going to Ex Java, Miss.
Oh, East Java?
Ex Java, Jawa Timur.
Oh, that's so far. Where is it?
In my mother yang lain.
Another mother? Oh, you have a lot of
Yes,
mother. That's
another
so
mother,
Mother.
guys.
nice. You have more than one mom.
Mother-in-law.
Mother-in-law. Okay.
Mother-in-law, yes.
Mother-in-law. What town are you visiting, Miss Sandy? Surabaya?
Yes.
Surabaya.
Nearby Surabaya.
Okay, Surabaya
Surabaya,
is
Miss.
nice. Surabaya. Surabaya is the melting pot.
Go to the train in
Ooh. Yep, it's better by
Jakarta.
train because there is no traffic by train. It's good. And also, be careful. It's pretty much hot in there. And there are a lot of culinary in Semarang. You can enjoy the culinary.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, guys. Thank you very much. See you on Thursday. Okay.
Thank
Assalamualaikum
you,
warahmatullahi
Miss.
wabarakatuh.
Miss Lina.
Waalaikumsalam. I love
Warahmatullahi
you.
wabarakatuh.
I love you
Thank
too.
you.
Hello,
Thank
Miss.
you.
Bye
Good
bye.
teacher, bye.
Bye.
Yeah, I leave the meeting. Okay.